327 FM.
So essentially, DevCon is one of the biggest Web3 conferences in the world. This was the sixth DevCon, and the last one was the fifth, of course, but it was 3 years ago, right? So before COVID. The last one was in Japan, and before that, I don't really know. I haven't checked it out, but this one was in Bogota, Colombia. And yeah, it's a really, really big conference. I mean, I think there was about 6,000 people. There was about 400 talks, all in all. It was 4 days in total, and the convention center was really, really big. Maybe we can show some pictures later, but yeah.
Yeah, we are definitely going to show some pictures. You're right. Like I think I read something like 450 speakers even.
Yeah.
So it's really a huge number of people there speaking, and 6,000 attendees. So it was, but I didn't have the impression of any crowd, because it is a huge place where it was.
Yeah, like 6 or 5 floors, I think. If we include the basement, the hackers' basement, as like the coolest place, definitely.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, it started by celebrating the merge, and actually it was the merge of all, I would say, like everything, all experiences, people, stories, products. It was like the first time for me to attend a conference in Web3, and I can say I have high expectations.
Cool. Maybe we can show some pictures while we are talking. So this is the venue that we are talking about, and you can see from these images that it is really huge. This is actually us after the conference celebrating. But generally, my question is, okay, so it's a huge event, but what is the importance of this event? Leon said already that it is probably the most influential and most important Ethereum conference. What was your feeling there? You know, like what kind of people come to DevCon?
Right. Well, I think that generally, like the Web3 community gathers around big conferences. Like, for example, in Paris as well, ECC was happening in July, and now DevCon. I think a lot of the people that went to ECC went to DevCon as well. I saw a lot of people that I already met, in Paris. And DevCon, specifically in Colombia, in Bogota, I think it's a really, really interesting place to make such a big conference, because Latin America, essentially is a very good grounds for crypto to rise up, because I think that countries that have underdeveloped financial systems and general public systems have a tendency to go towards crypto, to go towards alternative methods of transacting finance.
3327 FM.